carbon steel fireball. It's combining a stylish modern design with efficient heat dissipation. The welding process ensures even heat distribution and high durability coating effectively prevents rust. The product consists of a fireball, 3 legs, and 2 handles. The 3 parts are not